Hey, Anthony here from this course. Let's kick it off. In this video, I'm going to explain the PTE Speaking Exam. Okay, so let's run over the basics of the PTE exam first. So the first thing to notice is that you will be speaking into a microphone inside your own booth, inside a room with a lot of other test takers. Because you're in the room with other test takers, don't speak too quietly or too loudly. Just use your normal speaking voice. The next point to notice is that you will hear a range of different English accents. Don't panic, just concentrate on the English. Finally, the speakers will be speaking at a natural and normal speaking speed. The time allowed for the PT speaking will be 30 to 35 minutes. So in the personal introduction part of PTE, you'll need to briefly introduce yourself in 25 seconds or less. This part of the test is not scored, and you can send this along with your score report to the institution of your choice. In this part of the test, you could talk about your future study plans, why you want to study abroad, or even why you want to study English. So the first scored part of the test is called Read Aloud. In this part of the test, you'll see some instructions at the top, a recording status box, along with a short text at the bottom. You'll have 30 to 40 seconds to prepare, after which you will have to read the text into your microphone. This task will test both your reading and speaking skills such as rhythm, intonation, stress, and fluency.
Hey there! Passing IELTS and PTE can cost a lot of time and money. If you're having trouble passing these Cambridge and Pearson style tests, head on over to our website now for writing video courses and online coaching.
The second scored part of the test is called Repeat Sentence. In this part of the test, you will have to reconstruct a sentence that you hear using your own knowledge of grammar and vocabulary. So on the screen, you'll see some instructions, an audio status box, and also a recording status box. You must repeat the sentence exactly as you hear it into the microphone. This task will test your listening and speaking skills. The third scored part of PTE is called Describe Image. In this task, you will have to give a spoken description of a chart, map, table, or image. Firstly, you'll have 25 seconds to prepare what you're going to say. After that, you will have to speak for 40 seconds and give a description of the image. Once you've finished, click Next to go to the next task. The fourth scored part of PTE is called Retell Lecture. In this part of the test, you will need to summarize the important parts of a lecture in your own words. On the screen, you will see the instructions, an audio status box, and a recording status box. You will have to listen to part of an audio text or a video and then summarize the important points. If it's audio only, you will also be supplied with an image that is related to the topic. You should retell the main points of the lecture using the microphone. The fifth and final part of PT speaking is called Answer Short Question. You will have to answer a short question using the right vocabulary. On the screen, you'll see some instructions, an audio status box, and also a recording status box. You should give a short answer using the microphone. A short answer simply means one word or a few words. This task will test your listening and speaking skills as well as your vocabulary.
Be sure to visit thiscourse.com where you can pick up IELTS and PTE courses and more. Visit now.